What's up, guys? Good. I got this gaming chair from Amazon for £106. If you guys want it, I'll leave the description below for you guys. But yeah, I'm about to unbox the sorry guys, zip it. Look at this, guys. It's in here, bro. Check it out. This is how you manual. That's the manual for the.
It's a manual
for the thing. You feel me? And yeah, look, all here, bro. Everything you need to do with a chair, bro. The cushion. This is for the bottom, and this is the. Take all the packaging out. This is all the stuff. And yeah, bro. Empty now. Put this away. Let's get down to business, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, let's get down to another box, you feel me? Look, open it from here. Like that. Open it like that. Don't cut my hand, bro. Don't know what the hell this is. But you'll see. Whoa. Damn, bro. That was mad. Yeah, bro, that's that. Let's open this, undo this shit here. Don't even need a knife. So this is the goes on the top, and let's open this box here, man. And it's full. These are the wheels for the bottom. This is what I was talking about. Anything else in the box? Cool. I think that's not okay. Yeah, yo. Don't need this shit no more. Don't need this shit anymore. Bro, don't need this. So here, guys, this is it. The project has been done. So yeah, let me sit in it. It's comfortable from the back, the sides. You can like go back as well. You know what I'm saying? You can relax if you want to, and like these go up and down depending on how you want it. That's my tool set. That's how it got done for me. And yeah, bro. So this is all it, bro. If you want to buy this, I'll share the description below.